So the first step for making panna cotta is adding the cream and milk into a saucepan and add the sugar. Mix well. And then you want to just bring it to a boil and let it simmer. This is to dissolve the sugar. And then once it's boiled, we're going to add the basil and then let it infuse for around 30 minutes. Use a spatula to stir the edges all the time to make sure it doesn't burn on the edge. So once you see this stage, when it starts to bubble, immediately add in your chopped basil. Just let it infuse off the heat for 30 minutes.
After 30 minutes, use a hand blender and blend it until smooth. Pass it through a sieve to remove all the basil bits as well as the bubbles on the surface. Transfer the milk mixture back to a clean saucepan and bring it to a gentle boil. Soak the gelatin leaves in icy water. Skim off all the air bubbles on the surface to create a silky panna cotta. Squeeze out all the water from the gelatin leaf and then add them to the hot cream mixture. Stir it immediately. Pass it through a sieve one last time to ensure there's no bits from the gelatin and skim off all the air bubbles. Pour the mixture into a silicone mold and freeze it for at least 3 hours.
Now trim the strawberries, so you grab the paring knife with your thumb, poke it through it in an angle underneath the leaves and just twist it. And then cut it in quarters. Add them to a bowl and then add 1 spoonful of caster sugar and just toss it. So this will release the sour juice from the strawberries and it will look really glossy and taste stronger. You can also add prosecco or some alcohol if you like, but we're just gonna go with sugar today. Now you have a frozen panna cotta. You just want to unmold it. So this is how you get the perfect smooth panna cotta when you freeze it. So you just need to let it defrost in the fridge before you serve it. So the strawberries are now macerated. You can see there's a strawberry syrup at the bottom from the juice and the sugar. So I'm gonna pass it through a sieve. So to make it more elegant, we're gonna tear some petals for garnish. So these are edible flowers. You want to place your tweezers right at the tip and then pull it out so you get like a nice petal for garnish. So use a seasoned chef tweezers and arrange the strawberries around your panna cotta. Use the tweezers and then insert the petals in between the strawberries.